Hello friends, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine Okudo and today we'll be looking at the third lesson in our JavaScript ES6 series. And the title of this lesson is Prevent Object Mutation. Okay, so if you've been following me for a while, you know that I began a series on JavaScript ES6 few lessons ago, few videos ago. So this is basically the third lesson. And if you didn't start this lesson with us or with me, go ahead and check for the previous lessons and watch them so that you understand what we are all about and what's going on here. So let's get right into this lesson. And so here, as seen in previous challenge, the const declaration alone doesn't really protect your data from mutation. Okay, because even after you use const, you can see that you can still assign, especially for an object, you can still reassign various properties in your object. Say we have something like this const, and then let's call it student equals name, let's have it as Charles, and age as 15. So even though we use const, we could still decide to change the name and the age of this object by simply doing name student name equal to, let's say, John. And if we console.log the student variable, you find out that our student's name has been changed from Charles to John. So, but if you wouldn't want this to happen, all right, this is what you would have to do. So to ensure your data doesn't change, JavaScript provides a function object of freeze to prevent data mutation. Any attempt at changing the object will be rejected with an error thrown if the script is running in strict mode. Okay. So let's see an example. We have an object with name, freecodecamp, and review awesome. So once you freeze this object, and then you try to change a particular property in the object, you receive an error. All right, so let me just um so you try, yeah, you receive an error. Let's see, let me show you. So cannot assign to read only property review. I just thought about something. I just realized that this didn't use const, but it's probably be the same thing. The same error goes. So once you use the object of freeze option function, you wouldn't be able to mutate your object. So I hope this is the object that review and the assignment will result in errors because the editor runs in strict mode by default, and the console will display the value. All right, so let's look at that and not assign this to this. Okay. In this challenge, you are going to use object of freeze to prevent mathematical constants from changing. You need to freeze the math constant object so that no one is able to alter the value of pi. So this is like a very useful place to use this. So if you're working on a project or an application and we have some constant, mathematical constant just like this, and you wouldn't want anyone to change, object of freeze would be a very useful way to um, do that. So in our little challenge here, we are asked to use object of freeze to prevent mathematical constants from changing. You need to freeze the math constant object so that no one is able to alter the value of pi. And that should take only one line. Object of freeze. Uh, let me just go ahead and copy this and paste it here, and then see our error. So this is actually a function. So let's try to console.log pi cannot assign to read only property pi. So we can see that pi is still 3.14, even after we try to change it here to what's this 99. Okay, let me comment out this code, and you'll see that you can easily change it to 99. You can see that it's now 99, but then because of our object of phrase function, we're able to preserve the original value of the constant. All right, so let's go ahead and run our tests, and we are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.